Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to solve this interesting equation involving the most important constant, pi. So we have pi to the power of x plus x is equal to pi, right? Interesting. So this x here is positive. Let's take it to the right hand side. So we're going to have here pi raised to the power of x. This is equal to pi minus x, okay? So this equation we can as well write it as from the right hand side, pi minus x is also equal to pi raised to the power of x. Next, let's divide both sides by pi to the power of x. So we get pi minus x multiplied by pi raised to the power of negative x. This is equal to pi raised to the power of x divided by pi raised to the power of x. So the question here is, why pi raised to the power of negative x? Remember that when you divide the left hand side by pi to the power of x, that is going to give you pi minus x divided by pi to the power of x, of which we can write 1 over pi to the power of x in this form, right? So here we have pi minus x multiplied by pi raised to the power of negative x. So this is equal to 1. Okay, so from here, we need to make the power of pi equal with the expression in the bracket. So we're going to do that by multiplying both sides by pi to the power of the number here, which is pi. So we get here pi raised to the power of pi multiplied by pi minus x times pi raised to the power of negative x. So this will be equal to pi raised to the power of pi times y, which is pi to the power of pi. So multiply this one and this one, do we add the powers, right? So we have here pi minus x multiplied by pi raised to the power of negative x plus pi is same as pi minus x. So we can see that this expression in the bracket is equal with this power of pi. So this will give us pi raised to the power of pi. Now let's take note of the following. A raised to the power of b is equal to e to the power of b multiplied by the ln of a. So use that idea here. So that will become e raised to the power of pi minus x times the natural log of pi multiplied by pi minus x, this one here. So this will be equal to pi raised to the power of pi. Now we need to make the power of e equal with this, so we just need to multiply both sides by this natural log of pi, right? So we get pi minus x times natural log of pi multiplied by e raised to the power of pi minus x times natural log of pi. This is equal to pi to the power of pi times natural log of pi. Now we can take the Lambert W function on both sides of this equation. Okay. So this left hand side will simplify nicely if you recall the property of the Lambert W function. The Lambert W function of k times e to the power of k is equal to k. So we can see this is equal with this power of e. And this one here is equal with this. So it will simplify to pi minus x multiplied by the natural log of pi. So this is equal to the w of pi to the power of pi times natural log of pi. Okay, so from here, we got to divide both sides by the natural log of pi. So this, we cancel this. So we have here pi minus x equals this. So x will be pi minus this, right? So we get here x is equal to pi. So pi minus the Lambert W function of pi raised to the power of pi times the natural log of pi, then divided by the natural log of pi. So here we get x is approximately equal to 0.758 577 64201. So this is our solution. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share.